How to install LiveChat in 3dcart. Start converting your visitors into customers by adding LiveChat to your 3dcart store. All of that with just a few easy steps. 1. First, log into your 3dcart administration. From the menu on the left, click on Design tab, available under the Settings category. 2. From the list of available options, pick Themes and Styles. 3. Now, click on More button, available at the right side of the Theme and Styles section, and choose Edit Template, HTML. 4. You will be taken to the template editor. To continue, modify your frame.html file by clicking on Edit button, available under the gear icon. 5. Now, paste your LiveChat code just before the closing tag of your code. 6. All that is left is to save changes to the frame.html file. To do that, click on Save button, available at the top right section of the Edit Template area. Done. LiveChat is now added to your 3dcart store, and you can start closing more deals and focusing on the exact needs of your customers. And here's how it'll look like on your store. Hopefully, you have found this article helpful, but if you have any additional questions, feel free to start a chat with LiveChat. LiveChat is available 24/7/365. Hit https://lc.chat/664k and get yourself started with LiveChat.